Alright, here we go. We're trying to find the entrance, but we're about to go into the magic of lights.
Hi, vlog.
The historical, magnificent light display of New England. Oh yeah, here's police right here. That's gotta be it. Alright, so here we go. Alright, here we go. This place is sick.
Who sets this up?
This is a crazy amount. Hold on, let's pull over. There you go, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Happy holidays, everyone!
See ya. Lights off, she said.
What lights?
Car lights.
We have lights? I thought you meant like in the car lights.
Alright, here we go.
Oh,
Magic of lights.
Magic lights.
Oh, so you can basically just pull over and check them out.
I'm vlogging too.
That's pretty cool. See if I can...
Are you gonna stop the third time?
I'm just gonna get a little more zoomed in. I don't know, maybe. I mean, you just go through once, I guess. What is it? It's a generator. Wait. What? Oh.
Turn? It looks like it's just a bunch of pulsed up things.
Pretty much. You smell that gas?
That's the dragon.
Smell,
Humpty Dumpty.
smell that gas?
Oh, look at Humpty Dumpty.
Huh?
Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall.
He broke.
What?
Humpty Dumpty broke. Alright, folks. We're having some trouble staying in focus here, but here's the American portion, apparently, or Patriots, I assume, as we are in. I thought this was in the actual stadium. So
I'm like realizing from this video how dirty our
yeah, right.
thing is.
Oh, look at this. We get to go through a little chute. Ready for this? Woo! Wow, trippy. So cool. All right. We feel like we're getting launched into the future. Is this seriously it? All right. Coming around to the goodies. We got candy canes. See a little house over there. We got Angry Frosty, it looks like. Gumball machine. Those are generators, so that creates power. It's basically a little car. People hanging out. That's pretty cool. Just having a hard time focusing. it, guys.
That's it. We're gonna watch the whole thing.
That is the whole thing. Looks like there's some more stuff out there. Oh, no. Keep
That's
going.
not the whole thing.
Oh, wow. This thing's huge. That's the beginning right there. Alright, we're coming up to the nativity scene.
I see a menorah.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. It's Jewish Christmas. Got the nativity scene next to the menorah. Something wrong with that. Is that Paris over there? Yeah.
The song doesn't even say Hanukkah.
I forgot that. This is kind of funky music. You got Statue of
I
Liberty.
think it's bringing in all of the different cultures.
I think I have to agree with you. Mele Kalikimaka. Kalikimaka.
Kalikimaka is a
That's weird that there's a whole Hawaiian language. Isn't that strange?
No. What?
There's a Hawaiian language.
Yeah. Culture.
Yeah, but it's not like, it's not Spanish.
Okay.
It's not Philistine.
Culture. That's gotta be racist.
Racist? It's not racist. It's just acknowledgement. It's a series of 5 little islands in mid-Pacific, and they have their own language. It's pretty interesting. All right, we got some green lights here. We're still Humpty Dumpty again.
That's not Humpty Dumpty.
It really is not. That's mashed potato. What does that say? Toy factory?
That's it.
No, it isn't. Look ahead. Look through the
That's not
trees.
it.
Yeah, this is pretty sick.
Who did this?
It's a whole nother section to go through. Wow, this is pretty cool, guys. This is worth coming down.
Holy poo, why is it so long?
This is worth a ride down. By the way, this is $35 on a Saturday and $25 on a Sunday.
I would not pay $35 for this.
This says 'twas the night before Christmas. You didn't pay $35 for this.
I'm saying I wouldn't.
'Twas the night before Christmas. You can't really read half of this stuff. We got the big guy right there. We got the big guy here.
All the ornaments.
And then this is the ornament section. Yeah, just so you know, we have the top down of the Jeep. To the vlog. What do we got going on over here? I have to go around these people. Oh, we got another
one.
We got another time tunnel.
Time tunnel? What?
Yeah, it feels like you're going into the future.
Is that so you can leave early?
Must be.
That's stupid. Oh no, it's like crossing a bridge. That's so cool.
How is it possible that I'm running into slow drivers even here?
You're being slow too. People are trying to enjoy it.
Wow, there's like the big trucks up there too.
This is giving me a head.
This is really trippy.
I don't want to record. Go slow. Wait. Going so fast. What's your rush?
Oh, going into dinosaurs. There we go, it's my Jewish peeps. Represent. Alright, we got the we got the big trucks.
Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah.
That's what I think of when I think of Christmas. Monster trucks.
Hanukkah around the world. Happy
Alright,
Hanukkah.
now we're getting into prehistoric
Happy Hanukkah.
Christmas.
Happy Hanukkah. It's Hanukkah around the world. Happy
This thing is huge.
Happy. I just learned the song.
Could you walk through this?
It would be a very long walk.
I mean, this is like hours.
You could run through it. It would be a good 5K.
Be a good jog, yeah. What do we got over here? Is this the
That would actually be a really fun ride. Like, people
would.
should do that. They should do a 5K.
Do you want to do a 5K on Thanksgiving
No.
turkey trot? I asked you that last year. Hello. Yeah,
They're outside in the cold.
pretty sure they're stoned.
Why is there dinosaurs? I don't get this. Those are velociraptors.
Monster trucks and dinosaurs.
Like what? For kids, obviously. My hand is so cold. I'm gonna put them.
Merry Christmas. So is this all?
I'm putting my window.
Is this all parking during Patriots games? Must be. Do we want to go back to the Patriots on December 1? Alright. We're going fully through Dinosaur Land here. Dino Land. Disney's getting rid of Dino Land. It's already tearing it down. It's kind of sad, right? Nobody went to Dino Land. Oh, what is this thing? Alright, now we got Santa.
Smile. Wait, hold on.
We got
Wait, put your camera down. Smile. I got a dinosaur in the back.
we got Santa. Instead of reindeer, there's geese. Nice.
Dinosaur in the back.
Here's Santa Claus being flown by geese, not reindeer.
No, those are velociraptors.
Velociraptors.
Or what are they called? What are they called? The flying ones. Dinosaurs.
Those are pterodactyls.
Pterodactyls.
Yeah.
I can make a good pterodactyl noise. Do you want to hear it?
No,
Why?
because it's gonna be loud and
No,
obnoxious.
it's not. Ready?
All right.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Nice.
There's a better one, but I won't do that loud.
All right, we're going down
Ooh, this is so pretty.
another pretty. This is probably the prettiest.
I like this a lot. We should do this down our road.
Camera's not really picking it up as much.
Mine is.
In any event, this is really pretty.
Why are you going so fast? Fast.
Someone behind. There's like 4 cars behind me.
I don't care.
You don't care?
I've got those people over there.
Why do some blink and others not? Why did they choose those to blink? Days of Christmas?
How many?
12 days of Christmas.
I thought it was saying how many days are left until Christmas.
Wow, guys, that was pretty cool. There's Future World over there. Whoa, we got more. The 12 days of Christmas now. I don't know what they are. I do know the doves, though.
Oh, I know them. I know the song.
Yeah, but you're not making them.
What?
5 rings. I knew that from the Eddie Murphy movie.
Wait, what?
Candy Lane.
What do you mean?
Candy
I don't know what you're talking
Lane. 5 golden rings.
5.
I think Elsa's up here with the Santa Claus hat on.
Why is that Barbie?
Oh, it's Barbie. 9
Elsa?
Barbies. 10 hopping. I'm trying to sing the song.
You don't know the song.
Oh, that's Barbie, not Elsa.
Barbie's not even in the song.
Barbie has got nothing to do with, other than a lot of people bought Barbies for Christmas. But there's huge Barbie, in case you wanted a little Barbie action. Oh, this person took the shortcut. That's it? All done? Alright guys, that is your Magic of Lights of 2024. Pretty cool stuff. We're all good. See you in the next one. All right, how did you like that light show? And was it the best light show you've ever seen? Wow. Oh, no. All right, now we're going to Patriot Place. I think that was the best light show I've ever seen in my entire life. Except for every other light show that I've seen.